Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max and I'll be showing you how to on the iPhone 17 Pro Max involving the Note app. I'm going to show you how to add lines. So of course with the Note app, as you can see here, it's notes. You use it to keep all your notes. So go ahead guys and you're going to launch notes. Once you're in your notes as seen here, if for example you're outside of notes, if you're outside of notes as seen here, go ahead and tap right here and it will open a new note. That's the small icon there that indicates with a paper and pencil. Now of course this is the default look. It looks like a blank paper. If you want to add lines, it's very simple. Go ahead guys and you're gonna look open the document that you want the lines for. Go ahead and tap these three dots that you see between that option there and the check mark. So the three lines, tap, go to grid lines, and here you're gonna have a bunch of options. Notice you have squares, you have normal lines, and you have wide lines. Go ahead and choose lines, and there you go. So what's gonna happen here is that the paper is gonna going to get the lines, so you can actually add lines as you would want. Now if you were using with a stylus or something like that, it would work better in terms of adding the lines. So of course you can add the lines as you wish. So grid lines as seen here are easy to add. You can easily add them to any of the documents that you want. Alright, so with the grid lines, they're meant to be a guide. So of course to help, especially if you're going to use a stylus to keep your writing straight. Alright, so it helps to balance things out and allows you to write things in a straight manner. Alright, so hope that was helpful in terms of adding grid lines to your notes on your iPhone. So hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.